How to add scrolling images to your Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or create scrolling images in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So we're gonna use application from Shopify App Store. So in the Shopify admin dashboard, you can navigate to the apps here. You can click on it, and then in the search box, you can search section and then search on Shopify App Store. And then in the Shopify App Store, you will find a lot of options here. But what we are looking for is this one, Section Store. Can click on it. And then as you can see, they have good reviews, 2000 more reviews and good ratings. So yeah, you can see the features here, can read it, it's really good. And if you want to see the reviews, you can, read it. And it's free to install. So if you want to try it, you can just click install here. And then after you read this term and condition, you can just click install. After you install it, you will be in this page. And now you can just click explore all section here. You can click on it. And then you will find a lot of templates for your sections, as you can see. So basically you can explore more here, but in this video, we're gonna search for scrolling. And then you will find a lot of option here. There is scroll announcement bar, scrolling images, and scrolling logo, and others option here. We're gonna click scrolling images here, and as you can see, this is the preview. So the preview or the scrolling images will be like this, and you can purchase it. It's $9, and it only one time purchase. So if you need this or if you want to try this one, you can just click purchase now, or you can click demo store if you want. Let's see the demo. And this is the demo. As you can see, it's really good. There is scrolling images. It's automatically, it's automatic scrolling. So I think this is good. And if you want to buy it, you can just click purchase now. And maybe you need scrolling logo also. You can, click it. You can purchase it like this. Maybe you want to add your partners or something like that. And it will like scrolling animation. You can buy it. And yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.